Starting off with the exterior, this Sylvan is spec'd out in their metallic gray, with gray flooring, as well as a gray interior vinyl. Moving to the bow, we've got spacious seating as well as storage underneath each seat. We've got cup holders at either side, as well as speakers below on either side. Moving towards the stern, we've got our changing room in here that can be deployed to give yourself some privacy while at sea. Directly behind, we have our dual helm layout, which gives a spacious area for both the captain and co-captain. Here at the helm, we have our stereo controls to the left, Bluetooth audio or the radio. Got your gauges as well as your rocker panels to the right for any accessories. Got a fire extinguisher mounted there, as well as our table, which can be deployed on the stern at that mounting point right there. This Sylvan is also spec'd out with their power folding bimini, which makes it real easy to get yourself some shade while out on the water. Towards the stern, we have more spacious seating, as well as cup holders and speakers below. There's storage behind these seats here for a trash can or for extra life jackets or fenders. Towards the stern, we have our tow bar, as well as our 115 horsepower Mercury and our stainless steel ladder. Come check out this boat today at SkipperBud's in Madison.